Good morning, class.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Morning. So, are you people ready with the situations? Has anyone thought of any situation? Dipesh Kumar. Dipesh Kumar.
यस मैम।
बताइए, कोई सिचुएशन बताइए। क्या रोल नंबर है आपका?
60
हाँ,
60
अच्छा। चलिए बताइए। बोलिए बोलिए। रितेश मौर्य, रोल नंबर क्या है आपका? योगेंद्र, व्हाट्स योर रोल नंबर?
मैम 43 रितेश मौर्य।
43।
यस मैम।
लिख लीजिए एडिट करके।
ओके मैम।
योगेंद्र, टेल मी योर रोल नंबर।
Good morning, ma'am.
मॉर्निंग।
Ma'am, 007.
ओके। हाँ बताइए, कोई सिचुएशन बताइए भाई जल्दी से। शिवानी सिंह। शिवानी सिंह।
मैम ऑडियो नहीं कनेक्ट किया उसने, तो उसको आवाज ही नहीं जा रही है।
आप लोग क्लास विदाउट ऑडियो कनेक्ट करके लेते हैं क्या? योगेश, व्हाट्स योर रोल नंबर? Aditi, you tell me any situation, beta.
Ma'am, give me some lead. I cannot think about anything. Like, it is very random.
Lead in the sense?
Like something, some image of what we, in which direction to think.
Uh, every direction is open for you people. Think in any direction. Sarthak
Hmm.
Gupta, what's your roll number? सार्थक गुप्ता.
मैम वो कल रीनेम किया तो मैम अभी फिर से करते थे मैम, वापस डिफॉल्ट हो गए
है क्या, बता दीजिए.
मैम 39।
ओके. Mahima, you tell me. Anyone, any situation?
मैम फ्रेंड्स मेट एट मैरिज पार्टी।
अरे ऐसा.
या
कौन मिलना चाहता है मैरिज पार्टी में, बताइए.
किसकी मैरिज पार्टी?
योगेंद्र की।
योगेंद्र की. हाँ.
फिर तो अगले जन्म लेना पड़ेगा।
नहीं बेटा, इसी जन्म में हो जाएगा सब कुछ, डोंट वरी. सारे पापों का प्रायश्चित इसी जन्म में होगा आप लोगों का, समझे? योगेंद्र,
ये क्या था?
मिमिक्री
यस
आर्टिस्ट है
मैम।
क्या आप? हैं?
नहीं, अरे मैं वो बच्चा बगल में बैठा हुआ है ना।
Oh, God.
अरे
Wow.
मैम एक सिचुएशन कि someone is going for an audition
अच्छा, ओके.
हम्म,
and
कौन सी ऑडिशन है?
मैम वो तो अब जो मतलब जो कन्वर्सेशन करेगा वो जिस चीज में मतलब उसको लगता हुआ कि ऑडिशन दे सकता है वो चूज कर लेगा।
हम्म.
so ma'am one person will act of the director
हाँ.
and the other person will be going for the audition. I think anything. हम गाना तो
So
कोई अच्छा गा
select
ही
the
नहीं पाता
person
होगा
also. Select the person also randomly.
randomly.
Hmm. Who sings well over here? How many singers are there in my class?
मैम सदिका शफाक।
हाँ बेटा. How many singers are there sitting? Tell me.
फर्स्ट डे तो बहुत लोग गाना गा रहे थे।
आज सबका गाना गायब हो गया है.
हम कुशाल
मैम
नहीं था मैम।
योगेंद्र मैम योगेंद्र ने भी शायद इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था कि डांस और सिंगिंग उसको अच्छा लगता
है ना, योगेंद्र ने बोला था ना।
मैम मैं
Yes,
डांस
ma'am.
के लिए बोला था, गाने के लिए नहीं। मैं बेसुरा हूँ, बाथरूम सिंगर।
मैम अक्षत भी गाता है।
अक्षत
नहीं मैम, नहीं गाते मैम, बिल्कुल नहीं गाते।
झूठ
हाँ
मत बोलो।
उस दिन हम सुने थे।
तो ओके, अक्षत इज गोइंग टू गिव द ऑडिशन and who is going to take it? Yes, the judges, come on. Who
हम
wants to
आशुतोष
judge?
मैम बहुत ध्यान से सुनते हैं।
अरे Ashutosh, where are you?
Yes, ma'am, he observes things very well.
Good observer. So only Ashutosh will be there or some other judges? और भी किसी की ख्वाहिश है जज बनने की? बताइए।
मैम कुशाग्र को बना दीजिए।
मैम लड़की
नहीं
अच्छा जज
नहीं,
करती है।
मैं तो कल था ही।
Okay. Akshat? Akshat? Are you listening? Akshat?
Ma'am, I think Akshat is preparing himself for what? For the audition.
Don't prepare this much, else I have to give -5, है ना? What's the use of so much preparation? The ones who are not
जॉब
speaking now, huh?
जॉब इंटरव्यू
The ones who are not speaking, I'm not marking their attendance. Be careful about that, okay?
Ma'am, job interview is also a good idea.
हाँ,
क्योंकि singing में many people will feel shy.
don't be surprised after seeing your attendance, okay? कि अरे हम तो आए थे, मैम ने तो मार्क नहीं किया अटेंडेंस हमारा. So यही लॉजिक रहेगा. So be prepared, okay? Who wants to do this job interview? बताइए.
Ma'am, I will be the HR.
Oh wow. And who wants to give the interview?
मैम आज आदित्य से करा लीजिए।
Aditya and Ashutosh, both of you. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ready, contestants?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एक दो लोग और रहेंगे ये जजिंग पैनल में.
Who wants to be there?
हम रैंडम किसी को भी बोल दीजिए।
Priyanshu Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will be the other judge, okay? Along with Mahima.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, first is Aditya is coming first. And this job is related to which sector?
Computer,
Computer? Okay. all
IT,
right.
IT sector only.
IT.
Oh, wow. Okay, so all the other students are going to observe ki what all things they have not covered, or what wrong they have said, or whatever minuses or the pluses they have. Okay. All right. So the other students are also the, the side by judges. All right. So हाँ बिल्कुल. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मार्क्स. सो अच्छा है ना, आप लोग का ज्यादा रहेगा, है कि नहीं? है ना?
मैम अभी सिचुएशन नहीं है मैम.
योगेंद्र.
यस मैम.
आपका बच्चा है क्या ये?
मैम मेरी शादी नहीं हुई है, मेरा भांजा है.
वाओ, सो क्यूट ही इज.
रिपीट कर रहा है जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसलिए.
Okay, start. Yes, the interview panel. Start.
मैम पहले कौन आ रहा है? आदित्य.
आदित्य.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे थोड़े तो एटिकेट्स दिखाओ, बोलो may I come in?
Yeah. Ma'am, may I come in?
Yes, come in.
Okay, good
Please
morning,
be
ma'am.
seated. Please be seated. Good
Okay,
morning.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Adit. Tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Aditya Patel. I am from UP Prayagraj, and I have done my BCA from ECC Prayagraj and my MCA from IP University. And my father's name is Mahendra Patel, and he is a salesman. And that's it.
Okay. And what about, so that's all you want to say about yourself?
Yeah.
Yes, bolo, yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Adit. How did you hear about this position? Or how did you came to know?
I heard this position at newspaper and also in news, in TV news, and also I'm interested in this. What can I say? Uh, I'm also interested in this position to in IT position to job here and to work with my passion, and is my childhood dream that I will go for an IT industry interview and job there and make my job there. That's it.
Okay. And why do you want this job?
Can you repeat, please?
Why do you want this job?
Uh, I want this job for I want this job to make myself an employee of IT industry, and I want this job because I'm much interested in IT industry, and uh, I love to work on computers and making much more softwares and everything in computers that belongs to computer. I love very much. That's why.
Hmm. Tell me about your greatest strength. What are your strengths?
What?
Tell me about your strengths. Your qualities.
Yeah. Past before past 4 years, I am generating my skills like making softwares. I'm also what can I say? I've also done master in many more computer languages such as C, C++, Java, and Python. And I've also learning ethical hacking and also learned much more ethical hacking. And uh, I also learned what can I say, website designing and much more things which which your industry wants to me.
So you know
Uh,
how many languages?
Languages means
The programming languages.
I have to tell you types of
C, C++, Java.
the name of all languages. I have to tell you
Which
name
you
of all languages.
that you know very well. The
Yeah,
languages in you excel.
yeah. The languages which I learned that C, C++, Java and Python and JavaScript and Ruby also.
Tell us one
Ma'am,
thing, Aditya. Why should we
एक
hire you? Wait, Mahima.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ शागिर.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am एक question
क्या
है.
से
Ma'am, during an interview, like for an IT sector, when the job seeker says that he knows this much languages, they also
Mhm.
ask something about that language. So should I ask him or we should skip this part?
You people know that much? If you know, then well and good. Ask. If you don't know, then skip it.
Okay, ma'am, I'll skip it.
And where's the second
Hmm.
judge? Is he sleeping
No,
or
ma'am,
having
I'm
tea? Arey, ask something, na? Communicate. You're there to communicate, na? Take the interview, right? Coordinate with your panel.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tell us, Aditya, why should we hire you?
You can hire me uh, because I have a lot of skills to uh, to develop your what can I say, to develop your industry and to do a great job in your industry and make your industry profit. And that's why I'm a good engineer, and I can make your company good, well and good, and I can give you a lot of, I can show you my best skills in your company. That's why you can hire me.
Okay. So tell me, according to you, which is the best, means which is the most efficient software or an app you have countered with? Like it can be on any platform, Mac, Windows, or iOS, or Android.
Security.
No,
That's it.
no, particular
Security.
software, name of that software and why.
Name of that software.
It can be WhatsApp or anything which you find it most efficient, not from the user side, from the creator side. Are you getting me?
I'm not.
So if you have to create any app like WhatsApp,
Yeah.
suppose that you like WhatsApp very much, so you are going to create an app like WhatsApp. So what would you consider most while creating the app? Like it should be small in size, very less bugs and all. So like I gave an example of WhatsApp because other people are also here. So which app or software you find the most efficient according to you, मीन्स जो तुम्हें सबसे अच्छा लगता है, या फिर still
मतलब बनाने में अच्छा
got
कैसा
me,
है?
or
नहीं, I'm not getting you.
Oh, suppose you're going to
कोई ऐसा
create an app.
सॉफ्टवेयर या ऐप है?
Suppose you're going to make an app. So what qualities do you see in that app? It should be efficient. There should be less bugs. The graphics
हाँ,
should be good. What qualities do you see? Or do
तो
you look
वही
for?
जैसे तुम एक प्रॉपर सॉफ्टवेयर ऐप से जो हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं, तो उस हिसाब से तुम्हारे उन पैरामीटर्स और एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे कौन सा ऐप जो अभी तक मार्केट में अवेलेबल है वो है, मतलब जिससे तुम काउंटर होते हो डेली या यूज करते हो.
Yeah, I got it. What? I'm audible.
हाँ, आवाज
Yes,
आ
you
रही है.
are.
आई थिंक प्रियांशु का नेटवर्क नहीं सही है.
So I want to see the quality in my apps. Like first of all, it can be, it must be secure, like just like Google, and uh, it must be have that it have a lot of functions like Facebook, WhatsApp, and uh, a good. It also should be a good interface that people can learn easily and use that software easily.
Okay, Adit. One last question. Think before
Yes, ma'am.
think before replying or answering it. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Can you repeat?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I have seen myself at last 5 years at the very top of at the very top of a business company, and I also thought that I have generated a lot of skills in me so that I can be hired from any of the company. That's why, and I also thought that I can make my own company, and for can I say, for joining a company, it is the way to learn a lot of more skills that helps in making my own company, and that's it.
Okay, thank you so much for coming. We'll let you know about the results.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ashutosh, come fast. Wow.
Come in. Good morning. Please be seated.
Morning.
Okay, Ashutosh. So, how did you
Okay,
come to
good
know about this
evening.
position?
You
That
Hmm.
message may harm Aditya because it's only one vacancy position here. It's not a question. I'm just telling you that information may harm Aditya because it's only one seat vacant here.
Okay, so Ashutosh, why do you want to work at this company?
It may the first time you have, isn't it? I'm asking that it's first time you're going to join, you doesn't have experience.
Priyanshu, your network is very weak. Okay, Ashutosh, tell your opinion about piracy, like only the software piracy. What do you think about small scale software? Like Windows is the biggest tech firm in the world. The small companies, like which are only restricted to one or two countries, means whose products are restricted to one or two countries. What are the what the yes? Let me complete first. What measures you can provide to them to reduce the piracy?